My niece, 3 years old and Spanish like me. You can imagine how much I worry about her English. That's why I found some apps and let her play with them to learn languages. But she didn't like them. She thought they were extremely boring. And like her, so many kids around the world are having this problem. That's why we created Monkimun, language learning for kids. We launched this year in 3 different platforms, and we're having great traction. Over 600,000 downloads, and an average growth month over month of 45%. Now, we also have great engagement. Over 140,000 monthly active users, and an average retention rate of 3 times the industry benchmark. Now, if you look at the Apple Kids category, we've been number 1. We've been number 1 in the US, we've been number 1 in Europe, and we've been number 1 in Asia. And listen to this carefully, because every single one of the products that we've built has been number 1 somewhere around the world. I don't think a lot of educational companies can say this. Now, you might be thinking, is this another startup trying to gamify education? So many of us have tried and failed, right? But what we're not. What we're doing is we're edufying games. Same goal, different approach. And we're edufying games with the help of great partners, like Toys R Us or Amazon, that help us and ask us to localize all our content in Brazilian Portuguese. And many other partnerships that we have established. Now, we are also talking right now with companies like Robio on the distribution side, Rosetta Stone for code development, or Pearson Education for content licensing. Now, there is many kids around the world that are sending us pictures saying, we love Monkimun. And they do, because if we look at the numbers, the average session length is also 3 times the industry benchmark. Talking about the industry, they're also giving us a number of awards and recognitions endorsing the quality of our content. I am Cristobal Viedma, 2 times a startup founder, and I was the head of platform at Viki, a $200 million exit. My co-founder, Marieta, she was the founder of a chain of educational centers in Madrid and has over 8 years of experience in education. Now, with an average growth of 45% month over month, we're having great traction. With an average retention rate 3 times the industry benchmark, we have great retention as well and a great product. And the most important thing, my niece, she's finally learning English. Thank you.
Hi, thanks. Could you please tell more about the traction? How many downloads you have? How many users? Like maybe you could tell us what retention you have?
Yeah, so up to date, we have over 600,000, close to 700,000 downloads in total with our 4 products. And the growth has been 45% month over month, the average of the last 3 months. Sorry?
So how did you market your product?
I mean, in the beginning, it's been like organic, like launching in the App Store. We feature, like, since the second product, every single product we launch has been featured by Apple, by Amazon, by Google as well. And we are also doing partnerships with companies. For example, Amazon, they wanted us to localize all our content for the Brazilian market. In exchange, they send email to all the Brazilian users.
So you downloaded it from single product or like series of a product? Many product? Do you download all
4 different products up to date, yes. We are developing, every 2 months we launch a new product. Yeah.